Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make body shimmer oil. It is really pretty and it makes your skin just glow and pop. It's really easy to make and you only need a couple of ingredients. I also have it listed on my website and the link is in the description below. Okay, so what you will need is a bowl, skin safe oil of your choice. For this video I'm using baby oil, but you can use any oil that's safe for your skin. You'll need a spoon, cosmetic grade mica pigment, and you can use cosmetic grade glitter for even more shimmer. I got the mica pigment off of Amazon. Okay, so now I'm about to pour the oil into the bowl, and you can pour as much oil as you need. I didn't really measure it. If you're planning on selling this oil, I would recommend not using baby oil because it makes your skin really greasy, but if it's just for everyday wear, then you'll be really moisturized. The oils on my website are made with like grapeseed oil and a bunch of other oils, so they're higher quality than the baby oil. Okay, I chose the pigment in ingot gold, and that's what I'm going to be adding into the oil. I don't really have a measurement for how much powder, but a little goes a long way, so just add a small amount at first, and then you can add to it. So now I'm just going to get the glitter to add to the mixture. So here's the glitter. It's like holographic cosmetic grade glitter. You want to make sure that you're using cosmetic grade because if you use other glitters, you can harm yourself. So now you want to mix it really well. Make sure that the powder and oils are combining together. It looks so pretty. Honestly, if I could bathe in that stuff, I would. It's so glowy and nice. Okay, so now I have my bottle prepared, and I'm just going to stick a funnel in it to make pouring easily. So now I'm trying to pour it into the bottle without making a mess, but I spilled it a little bit because I wasn't paying attention. And as you can see, it's not mixed very well, but after I put the lid on and shake it up, it'll get really combined. You can see that I didn't make enough oil because the bottle's like half empty, so I'm just taking some more oil and I'm gonna fill it up to the top. This doesn't affect it, but it'll dilute it just a little bit. So now I'm just shaking it up to make sure that everything is combined. And this is what it looks like when they settle. So there will be separation when you leave it to sit for a while, but if you shake it up before use, it's perfectly fine. I love this white one, it's so pretty. Here's an example of what it looks like on your skin. It's so pretty. Just look at that glow. Again, the baby oil makes it look greasy, but with other oils, it shouldn't be as greasy.